Guys, just a quick tip. We're leaving this on the counter mainly for the absorption purposes. If we place this in the fridge, it would take a lot longer for the liquid to pretty much get absorbed by the onion and then pretty much soften the bite that the onion has. Whereas if we leave it on the counter, it's a little bit faster, and within 30 minutes, most of the harsh bite that the onion has should be softened out. Whereas that harsh bite turns into a sweet, tender, crispy bite. Guys, if you find yourself with a rogue bean like this right here, don't panic. It went through the same sterilization process as the rest of the beans. So, I mean, for the sake of visualization, you can toss it out, or like me, I'm going to just keep it. It's not going to do anything. And plus, this is going to be the hummus batch. So, it's going to blend in anyway. So, I just want to say, don't panic if you see this. It's perfectly safe to eat. And the rest of the chickpeas will be for the salad. Hey guys, just as a troubleshooting tip, if your hummus is looking thick, don't add more tahini. That actually would make it even thicker. What we can do in this instance is add the aquafaba that we actually just got, and 1 tablespoon is usually enough. To be on the safe side, I'll add 2, but this should loosen it up to where it'll turn into a slick paste. Guys, because the tuna that we're using here is plain, I would recommend focusing a little bit of the dressing here and then kind of dispersing it out. And there you have it, a bowl that's packed with protein and fiber, which is coming from the chickpeas, tuna, and quinoa, healthy fats, which is coming from the hummus, feta, and the olives, and the micronutrients, which is coming from the fresh greens, cherry tomatoes, and the pickled onions. And it didn't even take us that long to whip this up. If you wanted to slim down on the timing even more, you could always experiment with store-purchased hummus. Alright, and that's gonna be it for me for now, guys. As always, let me know how I did, where I can improve, how I can help, and I shall see you in the next video. Take care.